This quote from Elon Musk about AI is scary for anyone who has a regular job. With AI taking over jobs, we'll need something like universal basic income to spread the wealth it creates. Otherwise, it's a winner-takes-all game. This quote is a wake-up call about the future of work, and it's got big implications for why becoming a digital business owner who leverages AI is more critical than ever. Let's break it down and explore how you can stay ahead in this AI-driven world. First, let's decode what Elon is saying. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, automating everything from manufacturing to customer service, writing code, and even creative tasks. This shift is creating enormous wealth. Think about the billions flowing into companies like OpenAI and Tesla. But here's the catch. That wealth tends to concentrate in the hands of a few: tech moguls, AI developers, and big corporations. Basically, anyone with assets. For the average worker, this could mean job losses as roles get replaced by smarter, faster AI machines. So what's Musk's solution? Well, universal basic income, or UBI, a system where everyone gets regular cash payments to cover essentials like food and rent. Without something like UBI, he warns, we're headed for a winner-takes-all economy where only those at the top thrive and everyone else struggles to keep up. But let's be real, relying on UBI alone sounds like settling for a bare minimum. It might cover the basics, but it's not a ticket to financial freedom or a fulfilling career. And this is where Musk's quote should light a fire under you to take control of your future. Instead of being replaced by AI, you should ride the AI wave. And that is why becoming a digital business owner is the smartest move that you can make right now. So why digital business? Being an online business owner gives you the flexibility to harness AI in ways that traditional jobs just couldn't do. AI tools can automate your marketing campaigns, analyze customer behavior, optimize your website, and even generate content like blog posts or social media captions. Imagine cutting hours of busy work while scaling your business faster than ever before. As a business owner, AI helps you make more money, especially if it's a business that has an AI-powered product. So AI isn't just a threat, it's a superpower amplifying your productivity and helping you compete in a global market. But if you're an employee, you risk being made obsolete as AI becomes smarter and smarter. Simply put, you must be an asset owner to benefit from AI. So let's talk numbers for a second. Studies show that AI could automate up to 30% of our current jobs by 2030. That's a massive shift, but it's also an opportunity. Digital business owners who master AI can tap into growing markets, reach millions of customers, and create wealth that outpaces traditional careers. For example, an e-commerce seller using AI to personalize product recommendations can boost sales by 20 to 30%, according to some recent data. That's the kind of edge that gives anyone with a digital asset the ability to earn more. But here's the bigger picture. In an AI-driven economy, those who control the tools will write the rules. Waiting for UBI or hoping your job survives automation is a risky bet. Instead, focus on growing your own digital asset so that you can ride on top of this AI wave. The winners in this new world won't just adapt to AI, they'll use it to create valuable businesses that improve as AI improves. So take Elon's warning as a call to action. AI is reshaping the world, and you can either ride this wave or you can get swept away. Start that digital business, embrace AI, and build a future where you're not just surviving, you're thriving. So if you've got any questions, drop a comment down below. Like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to build your own business powered by AI, then you can head over to thenewrich.com.